When is the last time you closed your eyes and took a deep breath? Feeling the good sensation of spring air.
Three devices for each kind of environment: home, office, and even in your car.
They are smart because they are able to recognize situations and activate scenarios in accordance with your needs.
Our goal is to create solutions to use and exploit energy in full respect with the environment, to improve our quality of life and our wellness at all levels. And here you come into play. With your help, we'll just be one step away to having the largest amount of people to benefit from Waeev technology and improve your well-being. We need your trust and your support now to complete our production phase, reducing manufacturing costs and making Waeev devices available to the largest amount of people worldwide.